you ever looked at someone and felt a strange sense of familiarity? A pull you couldn't quite explain. It's a feeling of coming home, even to a person you've just met. This deep, often subconscious recognition might not be a sign of destiny, but a whisper from your past. The way you love, the partners you choose, it's all connected to a blueprint drawn in your earliest years. Our first experiences with love and care, usually with our parents, lay the foundation for our future relationships. When we felt safe and cherished, our minds registered that as the very definition of love. A comforting touch after a fall, a reassuring word in a moment of fear. These moments built a neural pathway, our personal blueprint for love. But this blueprint also includes the difficult times, the hushed, tense arguments or moments of emotional distance taught us about the complexities and potential pains of connection, shaping our expectations in ways we're often unaware of. As we grow, we are subconsciously drawn to people who fit this blueprint. It's not a coincidence that your partner's laugh or the way they console you reminds you of a parent. We seek to replicate the familiar, both the good and the bad. This can lead us to unconsciously recreate old dynamics, finding ourselves in arguments that mirror the tensions we witnessed as a child. It's a powerful cycle. Our subconscious mind trying to find its way back to that original, complicated feeling of home. This isn't a life sentence, however. The moment you become aware of these patterns is the moment you gain the power to change them. By reflecting on your past, you can understand why you're drawn to certain dynamics. That ghostly image of your younger self isn't a ghost to be feared, but a guide to be understood. This awareness allows you to break the cycle. Instead of replaying old conflicts, you can have a heartfelt conversation, choosing connection over conflict and forging a new path. Ultimately, love doesn't have to be a subconscious replay of the past. By understanding our childhood blueprint, we can move from unconscious attraction to conscious choice. It's about taking what we've learned and deciding what to carry forward. This is how we build a future based not on an old script, but on mutual understanding and a deliberate shared journey forward. You have the power to write a new story, one of your own making.